morning, everyone. This is Herb from the Herb Swamp, and today we're going to go ahead and talk about the elderberry. So, botanical name is Sambucus Nigra, but I suspect that this is actually Sambucus Simpsonii, which is a separate species native to Florida. I got this from a native Florida nursery, and it has distinctly different leaves, much smaller. The Morris Nigra, in my opinion, and from what I've seen, even not Morris, Sambucus Nigra, has much thicker leaves. Sambucus candinesis, I believe is how it's pronounced, also has the bigger leaves. So I believe this is a separate species of Sambucus native to Florida, Sambucus Simpsonii. So it has a different growth habit as well. It's much, like I said, thinner leaves, wispier growth. The flowers are a little bit, to me, they have a pinkish blush instead of the pure white that other elderberries have. Very, very rapid growth, which is typical for elderberries anyway. All right, so sunlight, anywhere between 2 to 4. This plant really does not need a lot of sun at all. It grows so vigorous. You could kind of see where the woody growth starts and where the new growth starts for the season. And this is only with about 2 hours of sun. And this is probably April to now, its growth. And we are in the end of August here. So just about 4 months. Let's see, about 2 feet, 2.5 feet. Very rapid. Very moist soil needs. Can definitely tolerate wet feet, even probably flooding for short periods. Not super picky. It also a bit drought tolerant, but not as much as the moisture tolerance. Fruits in about March, and they're ready about early August, late July here in Florida, central Florida zone 9B. The yields can be pretty heavy. They're going to be heavier if I had another one, but the yields are pretty heavy. It's a young plant, so I will see how this progresses in the future. I don't eat them out of hand. I make syrups out of them, and pies, and sometimes cupcakes or whatever, muffins, whatever. I don't eat them raw though. They do contain cyanide and they do have to be cooked, and you can only eat the berries and the flowers. The flowers can be eaten raw, but I haven't done that. This is going to be pretty much for all the United States. There's going to be an elderberry variety that you can grow in any zone. The Simpsonii, I don't know that you can grow it further north, but I do think it will do well. I think this probably can span, I don't know, I'd have to research and confirm this, but I think it's more of a southeastern variety. All right, so as you guys know, elderberries can get pretty huge. This one, I've seen literature stating that it gets to about 25 to 30 feet, and can get larger just depending on if it's disturbed or undisturbed area. It's a self-fertile variety, but it does do much better with a pollinator, and it does not have chill requirements here for this variety in Florida, but I do think some other varieties that are from the north may have some chill requirements. So this is the elderberry, Sambucus Nigra or Sambucus Simpsonii. All right, this is Herb from the Herb Swamp, and you guys have a great day.